This Road to Prosperity video is sponsored by Vandergraaf, the leader in the design and manufacturing of high-quality, premium efficiency conveyor belt drives. The Grizzly Drive drum motor is built to operate in harsh, dusty, abrasive, and extreme environments where performance and durability matter most.
What's the general mood? I mean, when people are at a show like this, I would assume they're ready to buy equipment. They're at least exploring it. It's on their mind. Do you get a sense that people are they bullish? I guess how would you characterize their want or their desire to go out and purchase at this point in time?
I would say based on the outlook, particularly in this sector, you've got continued growth and support for the projects, whether they're the national level or whether they're the local level. They're bullish on the work continuing for years to come. So all in all, I would say bullish, looking for equipment, wanting to upgrade. Labor, of course, always being an issue. So one of the ways you can combat labor issues is with more productive equipment. So I think everybody's always here trying to see if there's a better mousetrap.
It does seem like equipment's getting bigger, so maybe it's more capable of putting out more material or doing more than equipment of 5 years ago, 10 years ago. We see more technology coming in as well. I guess as you're observing what you guys are involved with specifically, or as whatever you're exploring at the show or elsewhere, what trends kind of stand out as you observe how equipment's evolving that you're putting out from Purple Wave?
Well, everybody is evolving to new equipment, new things. A lot of our customers, depending on what market they're in, they may not have those projects that they can afford this. So we've been seeing a trend of pre-emissions machines going up in price. A lot of certified rebuilds, where they're going in. I'll use the example of a D8 CAT or a 988. Our customers are coming to us, buy that piece of equipment, taking it to their OEM and having it rebuilt. So they don't have to meet certain emission standards with buying new equipment.
Thank you to Vandergraaf for sponsoring this Road to Prosperity video. Visit vandergraaf.com to discover the cost-saving and safety benefits of the innovative Grizzly Drive drum motor. Learn how the Grizzly Drive reduces maintenance costs while delivering reliability and longevity for belt conveyors operating in the harshest of environments.